What to do after road traffic collision? You are legally required to stop as soon as it is safe to do so, turn off your engine and put the hazard lights on. You need to assess if there was any injuries, that includes yourself. If there were any injuries and you require to call ambulance or emergency services, then you must do so as soon as possible. If there were no injuries, then you've got responsibility to exchange details with everyone involved. That includes your name, address, telephone number. You may need to provide your insurance details as well. Some incidents require to be reported to the police. This involves injuries to animals, property damage, other vehicle damage. If you're driving company vehicle, then it is very likely that your company will require you to complete further investigation. Most companies want that to be completed within first hour of the incident if possible, so it is likely that you will be asked to call that in and then answer some questions. Make sure you've got all the photos, all the evidence and witness statements, contact details for the company to process. And then on your return to the office or the depot, you will be asked to complete further paperwork. Obviously, depending on the damage to your vehicle, there will be further action to be taken with that. If this was helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. My name is Roman. This is a Fleet Planner Compliance video.